A few months after moving here, I discovered that along with a park-like view, this apartment comes fully equipped with bed bugs. Fortunately, since my neighbors are dealing with the same problem, there's quite a bit of support and exchanging of hints and tips. But my favorite weapon in dealing with bed bugs came about sort of by accident. I was sitting in my chair contemplating a life that seemed to be nothing but fending off the onslaught of bed bugs, and I happened to glance at my side table where I had a roll of clear packing tape. Readily available, inexpensive, and essentially non-toxic. If you've ever dealt with bed bugs, you know that they tend to scurry away when you try to catch them. And if you do catch them and squish them, they stain. Well, clear packing tape solves the problem. So now when I go on my daily search around the apartment, looking at ceilings and walls and my favorite chair and of course the mattress and the box spring, I carry with me clear packing tape, and when I find a bed bug, all I need to do is unroll about an inch of the tape and apply just a little bit of pressure, and the bug sticks to the tape very nicely, and all I have to do is fold the tape over. I don't apply a lot of pressure because it's not necessary, and if I apply too much pressure, it'll squish the bug and create a stain. So this also works really well if there are little bitty bugs or eggs on the side of a box spring, for instance. You can just pull out a strip of the packing tape and smooth it over the edge, and it'll catch any eggs or any little bitty bed bugs that are there. And again, just fold the tape up then and discard it. They're not going to get away. I have discovered this does not work for fuzzy spiders, but it works wonderfully for bed bugs. So good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite. And if they do, clear packing tape to the rescue. And I hope you can see that you're worth being free.